Good afternoon, Eric Goodwill with Renaissance Painting and Carpentry. Here I am in the royal city of New Westminster, and what we're doing is we're restoring and repairing a deck for Olivia and Nelson, and I've already given some instructions as to what we're going to do. We've already repaired all of these railings. We cut them back, put in new bottom rail. We're gonna put in a new piece at the bottom, and also what we did was we put in a bunch of new joists. The joists were rotten, and then if you take a look down, you can see we put in hurricane ties, and then we put a combination of a rubber membrane to protect the top of the joists, and in some places we put paper. It's like a building paper, and we stapled it. And what we're doing is we're laying out new deck boards, and we're staggering the joints. Now, there was an issue with this post here. This post, you can see the way that the guys had originally built it. They had this post right on top of two joists, and there's no real way to connect it other than put in this post base. But then to make it really strong, what we've done is we put in, we had a right angle, at right angles, we put in this other post. We're bracing it. We're going to support it. We've put in a bunch of very long screws, and it's very, very solid now. So it's going to make it safe. You need to have, about 300 pounds pressure that the railing can take, and this was not set up to do that. So what we're doing is we're making the deck safe, we're making the railing safe, we're taking out the old rotten wood. This deck's going to last a lot longer. So out here in the Royal City, what we're doing for Olivia and Nelson is we're basically repairing and restoring their deck and making it look great. So Eric Goodwill, Renaissance Painting and Carpentry, restoring decks in your neighborhood. Thank you.